TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials right now up 83. You get the Nasdaq up 35. S&Ps are up 14. Gold contracts flat at $12.52. We have silver up 15 cents, $16.82 an ounce. You get platinum up $9 at $9.42 an ounce. Copper is up 3.5 pennies, $2.56 a pound. Light sweet crude caught a bid up 84 cents, $50.48 a barrel. Notes: 10-year note down 4 ticks, 126.04. 30-year bond off 7 ticks, 153.19. Now both, well, first off, the 10-year note, folks, it's a complex ABC structure on the way up. Took the B point out yesterday, took it out with volume. You have a price projection of 128.23. Complex ABC, what normally happens here, you take the B point out, have the volume, give it up in price, back down, which you're doing on lighter volume, and then you go for it once again. 30-year is in the higher range at the 153.18. That's saying it wants higher price, lower yield. King dollar down 582 ticks, 97.19. Bottom line, King dollar not only wants a lower price, looks to me like on a longer term basis, 3, 4, 5 months, King dollar is going to run down to the 91 mark. Right now you're at 97. The euro is trading at 111 to the US dollar. The yen is also at 111.5 to the US dollar. We get over, we take a look at the S&P. This is what you have happening in the SPY. So SPY came off the highs with volume on Wednesday. Bottom line, you go up yesterday with light volume. Today you're almost testing the high of it. No matter which way we go today, folks, what you're going to have off the high is you're going to have a monster doji, high volume low. That low is going to get tested. That's at 235. I expect we're actually going to get down to the 231 level. Dow Industrials has the same type of setup. The difference in the Dow Industrials is that the Dow has not been able to get to a new high since March 1st. You have 4 lower highs. You have 3 lower lows. You put this on the weekly basis, and what you're going to see is that you not only came down, but you came down with volume going into that lowest swing point from April 21st. The composite, the NASDAQ composite right now is up $35. That also come off the high and off the high with volume. NDX 100. Now, it's going to get intriguing about the NDX. Same type of setup in the NDX. What you do have with the NDX, if we look at the Qs, the futures, what you're going to see is that the expansion that we just got forward, this thing went 120 points off its low from yesterday. Bottom line, I suspect that that's all she wrote. Why? Because all the high-flying stocks out here have got to their highs, and it's like, okay, what else are you going to give me today? Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Friday in the metals market's always a tough one, folks. Gold's holding tight. We are at 1252. You've done 132,000 contracts inside that market. Bottom line is that we'll see if that can make that run up into approximately the 1256 area. Silver got destroyed yesterday. Silver's saving itself this morning, coming right back topside up with 40,000 contracts. Notes and bonds and King dollar are still saying flat out, guess what? We're going higher. Bottom line, the notes, they're pulling back at 558,000, and at 558, folks, you have gone higher with 2 million contracts. It took out the B point yesterday, took it out with volume, wants higher price. That's on the daily, that's on the weekly, and we take a look at the 30. 30-year is the same type of setup. 30-year is in the higher range right now, and good old King dollar. King dollar is having the rough run here. King dollar is breaking out lows as we speak. You're down 600 ticks. You're at 97.17. That number, folks, okay, that good old King dollar could get us down about 100 today, 100 ticks. You get down 100 ticks, and you're going to see this market give up probably 4 or 5, well, maybe 7 S&P points, because right now you're up 17 S&P points. This 10 a.m. update, 14 points we're up right now. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day, great weekend, safe weekend. Look forward to speaking right back here, 10 o'clock, Monday morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.